see if the volume is actually working this time. Oh, we have ignition. Man, it only took me several months. Right at closing bell too. So I de-risked a lot of Mara and coin into close. I was just watching Bitcoin really heavily. I mean, obviously we've had this explosive move up here since we loaded Mara and coin, and that's just for equities, but we've really just had like this crazy explosive move up. We're right around, at least on the daily, like right touching like 3 standard deviations up, coinciding with this weekly resistance level and this supply zone. For me, seeing us literally tap that to almost like the penny and struggle with this all day, that's just a huge sign for me to start locking in profits. Not to say that, like, we're not going to push up higher. Of course, I still have like a month on these contracts. They don't expire till March 15th, but I'm not going to start getting greedy when I have like just one of my accounts is up like 100% in a week. That's just like insane. Coin, they have earnings coming up, and I think the earnings are going to be good. See, they're not quite as high up on the standard deviation level. They're only, like halfway between 1 and 2 standard deviations up. We got pretty close to this weekly level. Given they have good earnings, I think that we'll rocket up here to this previous supply zone and most likely, probably break through a little bit, make a higher high, and then you'll probably see like a little bit of a fade. But I'm just taking heavy profits here. I'm not in this shit to fucking gamble. I'm in this to make money. If we look over at Bitcoin, let's pull up the other chart. Let's pull up Coinbase's. So we tapped this level perfectly. Let me see, why is that not on? Hold on. I think it has to load. There it is. Okay. Yep, so we're getting close to around, wow, that coincides right there with that weekly level. That's sick. So like this is pretty much like an area that I think is going to be a lot of resistance up here. I mean, we've had this fucking explosive move up out of this, basically this crazy bull flag. After a bunch of people cheated their fucking coins to bury down here at 38. They were calling for 30. They didn't get it. They didn't get anything close to it. What are we right now? Let me turn some of this off. It's a little bit crazy. Right now, we are currently, I think we're still in the same range as how far we are from all-time highs. Yes, we're about like 33% from all-time highs. I think last week we were like 42%. There's not a whole lot of resistance up here. There's like, I don't know, there's not much. We'll see this level, and then also there'll be like psychological levels for sure. So there's 62. 58. So those are my primary 3 next levels that will trade between these zones before we hit all-time high, and I think that's going to happen a lot faster than most people think. I mean, a lot of this move happened a lot faster than most people think. I was saying back in what was it? Was it October? I think it was October we'd already had the measurement out for saying we were going to like 41 to 42K, and would reassess once we got here, because this was a big inflection point in the market. It was a big weekly level, and as you can see, there's a bunch of crazy shit that happened here. But it's never been more obvious for what is gonna play out. If you don't see the narrative of what's going on, like, I really don't know what to tell you or how to explain it to you, but I'm not like a fucking genius. It's just there's a lot of really clear-cut things that make this really obvious. At the end of the day, the only thing that moves price is buyers and sellers. We have $500 million of buying pressure consistently. It's fucking nuts. We're sitting up at a market cap of like, just the total market cap is 1.87 trillion, not even 2 trillion. What do you like? How could you be bearish on this? I don't understand. We have Larry Fink shilling our fucking bags on CNBC. Like, Jesus Christ, we like used to dream about this kind of shit, and y'all are talking about a sell the news event. I'm like, y'all just love losing money, don't you? It's wild. I mean, I literally have like 80% of my net worth in fucking internet coins right now, because I just saw what was coming, and at the end of the day, I think this is going to be one of the last and the most volatile bull runs that will ever happen, in my opinion. And there's a lot of other people that are in agreement with me that, I respect their opinions. They've been in this space for a while too. When you have these institutions coming in, accumulating large swaths of Bitcoin, they're going to be able to dominate the order flow. You're going to have regulations come in, so the volatility is going to be reduced, and it's not going to be like it's been for all these other cycles. So that's why I just kind of have been screaming at people on the timeline, like, fucking buy, get some exposure, go find a coin you like, and fucking buy it and hold it, and probably most likely just get away from your computer, because you're gonna get shaken out most likely if you sit here and you're chilling on the 1 minute, like getting shaken out, looking at Capo's tweets. I mean, half these people on Twitter, they don't have a fucking clue what they're talking about. Most of them are just actually engagement farming. Some of them actually probably do know what they're talking about. They're just saying controversial shit just to, get some Elon dollars. It's if you don't know who to follow and have your own thesis, it's probably a bad idea to be hanging out on CT and taking financial advice. But what do I know? Just been in Bitcoin for like 13 fucking years. What else can we look at? You see if the stream's still working. Can't believe it took me this long to get all this shit working. I still don't know how to get all the comments and stuff working though. I will say that. Where did I learn to do chart analysis like this? Just years and years of being around lots of smart people, watching like literally just YouTube videos, going back and studying traders from the 80s, just getting information wherever I can. The internet is literally like the largest repository of human knowledge ever, so just go and seek out knowledge. You'll find it. You'll find a lot of bullshit too, so I would definitely be a little bit weary. There's a lot of people giving out bad advice, giving out bad trades, and I would really cherry pick who I listen to or take advice from, like, heavily. That's actually why I made this other list on Twitter. It's called like CT Chads. I think I could like share it or whatever. It's just like people that I would recommend following, because you can get caught up in following the wrong people, and it can fuck with your head for sure. If you think that they're a smart person, and they can lead you astray. Let me see if I can find this list. Wish we could share bookmarks as well. That'd be nice. CT Chads. Here it is. How do I... where do I get the URL for this? Okay, there it is. Alright. I wonder if it's pulling all the comments from... I finally configured this to stream on like literally Twitter, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and I think what's the other shit it's streaming on? I don't know, it's streaming on like everything. My bandwidth is probably getting fucked right now. Is this working on... Nope, Instagram one's not working. That's great. Oh, this program is super glitchy. Holy shit. That's bad price. Let me see if I can fix this real quick. Go live. Oh, I have to apply for access for TikTok Live Studio. What kind of horseshit is that? Alright, fine. Whatever. Let me see. Yeah, no, I'm also in a position on Grab. Let's pull this up on the right chart setup. Look at that. Pyth. Fucking, good price. So Grab is finally getting some movement. And we got a buy signal on the weekly. That's fucking nice. But I want to see that close. We still have 2 days till that closes. So if we do get this movement upwards, that would be great. I'd like to see us break through, like the 50% range. It's not really 50%, but right here is kind of like halfway through the channel, and come up here and test this this weekly level around like 365, because I'm probably not going to hold this through earnings, honestly. It's been a shit trade. Contract moves like shit, price is shit, but it's going to be a profitable trade. Now Carvana, it's kind of shaping up to be shitco season right now. These are the type of charts, if you don't know, that I just fucking love. It's like the giant L. You just look for the fucking hockey stick, and then you see like the bullish trend develop, bottoming out, higher highs, higher lows, and these things just print money. It's honestly sick. Roku also has a nice setup. I'm watching Oxy. Oh, okay. Oh, Warren Buffett just bought some more of this. Might have to grab some of that. Clean Spark. Don't have any exposure to this miner yet, but I would like some. But I'm not going to chase, even though it is in between two weekly levels. I'm just really weird about my entries. I would have preferred to get in on the break of this level right here. That's alright though. There's plenty of gains to go around. That's not even talking about crypto. Like, Jesus Christ. Let's go look at some coins. Which layout? Yeah, here we go. Yeah, Solana, fucking... I got a shitload of Sol. And this thing's gonna do numbers. Oh my gosh, this thing's going back to all-time high. That's not even up for debate. I think AVAX is a sleeper. I think AVAX is gonna rocket here soon. I want to see it break this previous high of here. Move up here. I mean, that's not exactly a weekly level right there. It's more so down here. That's pretty close right there. Yeah, no, this weekly level right here, we break that. This one, change that to that. Yeah, so there's some pretty large gaps in between these levels. Once it breaks out right here, you're gonna see this thing rip. That's what, from here to the next level, 30%, 54, and I mean, I was buying and stacking AVAX at like $9. Same thing with Joe. This thing is, it moves a lot slower, but it moves in unison because it's, you know, it's one of the biggest LP DEX tokens on Avalanche. I think we were getting this at 20 fucking cents. I think right around here. Yeah, no, we were buying this thing at the lows. It's been a great trade. Definitely one of my moon bags. This thing's fucking retarded. Come on, Jupe. I need you to go. Quit fucking around. We need to break this. We need some good price action on Jupiter. I'm still really bullish. I don't care what anybody says. Like, the tech is fucking amazing. Like, point to a better DEX than fucking Jupiter, and you know, I'll tell you you're fucking lying. So we might get a rejection here. That would suck. Let's go down like the 1 hour. So 1 hour is not terrible. We are breaking this with some strength. ATH is over 30. Breaking the 200. Running up to some resistance right around here. It's gonna be a fucking, you know, it's gonna be a slog to get back up, but I think that people are gonna start bidding this up once they've already had their fun bidding the shit out of whiff. Where's whiff at? Yeah, this thing's nutty. Shout out to Ansem. Jesus Christ. Full sent this thing. %178 from the low. I have literally no whiff. I do not have the hat on. I should have grabbed some. So it's, even though this is probably not the oldest chart, most likely, it still might be up here in the price discovery range. I don't think there are. I'll go check real quick. Yeah, I don't know if you can even count that wick. Some retard like dumped like, what was it, like 2 mil into whiff, and they wicked it all the way up to 294. Yeah, no, I'm not even gonna count that. So we're basically in like price discovery range. I'll buy something in price discovery. I'll do that all day. Especially if it has retard strength. Oh yeah. This thing's sitting at a $442 million market cap. 6.8 mil in liquidity. That's not terrible. Oh shit, look at Honey. Honey is up. Myra is up 30%. Honey's up 26%. Jesus Christ, where's Honey at? Yo, where is my Hive mapper at? What the fuck? Am I ever gonna get that thing? At least by the time I get it, the 2,500 Honey tokens is gonna be a bag. Might not be till like Q2 or something. Yeah, what a stick. No, I'm definitely bullish on the whole D-pin narrative and everything. ARB. Yeah, I can check out ARB. I'm pretty bullish on all DEX tokens. It's like one of my go-to plays for any chain that I'm fucking with is I'm gonna grab probably the best performing DEX token. And plus that airdrop I got on ARB was fucking sick. And that was just from like using GMX. I didn't even know that there was gonna be an airdrop. And they just like threw like 10 grand at me. Yeah, this doesn't look bad. Doesn't look bad at all. Inside day, 2 delta divergences, long wick to the downside, retest EMA. Yeah, that looks good. Yeah, that's not bad. ADX over 30 on the weekly. Does this even allow me to have the money flow on this? Is this just too high? Okay, yeah, there it is. And money flow is kind of shitting around. That's kind of wild to have that price action with like the money flow doing that. That's weird. Ray, I dumped my bag of Ray for a fucking jupe. Maximum pain. Wow, there goes C. I don't even know anything about this. There's just so much shit going on that I don't even have time to look up half of these new protocols, these new chains launching. This fucking, it's a nice looking chart though. Thing is fucking sick. Yeah, that's fucking nasty right there. This is something I'm probably gonna grab some. Probably gonna grab some fucking dot, some polka dot. No one's talking about this shit. The chart looks fire. This is like my classic pattern. This is exactly what AVAX looked like at $9 when I started bidding it. And also they just are doing some like cross-chain shit with Manta, so you know, I'm pretty bullish on Manta. You know, not the best interfaces or dexes over there, and you know, not really a fan of hopscotching through all the bridges and stuff like that, but you know, who cares? This looks like this is gonna go. Yeah, see, look at that right there. Boom. Solid trend on the fucking liquidity. Shit's about to be at the 0 line, break even, trending positive. I mean, it's right there at 30. That's wild. Can you just get over that a little bit? Ooh, the daily looks even better. Yeah, not bad. He said, why are you shilling in the chat? That's what people are gonna do, man. People are gonna try to shill their bags. Good luck getting me to buy your bags. That shit ain't happening. Rune. Jesus Christ, what a bleed out. They're cucking the shit out of Rune. They just do not like what's going on with this tech. Super bullish on it long term, but I had to offload my bags, man. I was holding on to this shit forever. That's what the one thing about this cycle that's so different is it's not like traditional cycles. It's like very rapid, fast pace, where unless you have like some real leaders like, like Solana, or I mean, definitely not Ethereum. I mean, I would personally say Render. Render's done fucking phenomenal. But there's not really like that many that you could say like have been an amazing long-term hold with good bullish price action. So it's a lot of fucking hot potato. It's like your portfolio is just like constantly rotating, or you should be constantly rotating to optimize and get the most out of your capital. It's fucking really tiresome. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, let's go look at Tia. Old fucking T-Flows coin. Can't believe he didn't fucking shill this to me when I got out of prison, dude. It's fucking egregious. I get out of prison, I'm asking homeboy for a computer programming job, and he's like, yeah, I'm working on this little crypto project. I'm like, that's cool. Anyways, let me know if you could get me a job. And dude definitely didn't emphasize how fucking serious what he was building was, because I would have looked into it and I'd have tossed every fucking shekel I had into it, because I've known he's a fire programmer. And if he had told me he was doing something with modular blockchains, I would have been like, what the fuck? I don't even know what that means. But I'm going to find out, and I'm probably going to toss some money at it. Not really sure how this is going to play out, to be honest with you. It's wildly overextended, and primarily due to, I think, 11 airdrops in the first month. Like, you can't keep that shit up forever, bro. When this thing comes back down, it's going to be a wild fucking ride. So, I mean, I have some. I'm up like 100%. I got, like around $10. And it's been nice getting some airdrops and stuff. I definitely didn't get a lot of them, but let's look at Whales. Whales Market. Yeah. Your boy got this shit at 10 cents. Fucking 10 cents. Not even on here. Fucking, let's go all the way down here. Let's go all the way down here. Fucking 10 cents. Bloop. Ooh. The 36 bagger. Not bad. Nah, I think this is still going to do really well. There's no competition at all whatsoever. I honestly should have gone way heavier on this, but I mean, you can't complain. Fucking 36 bagger, are you kidding me? In the matter of what? I mean, I don't even know, because this isn't the official chart. I think it was the 15th. Yeah, I think it was like January 15th I bought. So what? In the matter of not even a month, 3 weeks, 36 bagger in 3 weeks. It's fucking sick. Injective? Nah, super bullish on Injective. Let's see, right here. Let's turn some of this fucking shit off. You just want straight price action, baby. Damn, I gotta get ready to pack, man. I'm going to the fucking mountains tomorrow. Ugh. Oh shit, this is a big fucking wiki flag. This thing looks crazy, bro. Honestly, I would like pull this up on Trading Light, if they even have it, which they probably don't, which sucks. We'll see. Injective. Oh, they got it. Let's go. Let me see if I can change my screen to different Okay, let me put a window capture and set it for trading light. There we go. Hard to size this. Yeah, that'll have to be do fine. Okay. Let's try. Dude, there's like no fucking trading going on with this on Binance. What the fuck? Gotta push these down way lower. Let's put that to 100. And let's put this on the daily. Ooh, look at all these fucking orders. Orders definitely chilled out a lot. Yeah, there's a lot of orders sitting in here, up above too. It's like actually a lot of orders up above. Like right here. Like 1.5, nothing crazy. Yeah, I mean, if I look at just like straight up the chart, I like the chart. I like the tech. I think that people are going to keep staking it because they're going to get a fuckload of airdrops. Another thing with Injective is it correlates highly with IMX for some reason. They've diverged lately because, like gaming tokens have just gone fucking bananas. Let me look at IMX actually. Boop. What do you know? Weekly level. Right to my level. What do you know? It's funny how that works. Super bullish on IMX. I don't fucking have any. I don't have any gaming exposure right now except for like some IDOs, but those take forever to play out. Bro, someone's talking about end mapping a subdomain. What are you talking about, bro? Oh man, some of the hackers started popping back up in here. I think once fucking what's his name, Uchiha, fucking like DM'd me the other day. I was like, what do you want, bro? Get out of here. What's his name? Like one of the old Lizard Squad kids who got fucking doxxed. I don't even know if like that's his fucking shit anymore. He must have changed his name. I don't know. I'm not opening my DMs in front of y'all. That's not happening. Yeah, that's not happening. We'll switch back to this. I'll make this disappear and I'll look at it. Man, what's up with these CT broads, man? Let's be real, bro. Like 99% of these girls are not trading. I'm sorry, but that's just the facts. Okay, let me see my DMs real quick. I hate when these fucking little hacker kids start messaging me again that I'm trying to get me back into doing illegal shit. I'm like, nah, bro. Get the fuck away from me. Like, you didn't go to prison, dude. You probably would not have made it. You don't want that. This is, got a good life going. Just trading magical internet money. It's pretty nice. Yeah, so what else was I gonna look at before I went to the store? Actually, I mean, I guess honestly, this was just supposed to be a test run to see if voice is working. And I guess I just started charting shit, but whatever. probably just gonna start doing this all the time. Fucking just like hold y'all ransom in here and just rant and rave about shit. It's like my new form of therapy. Metis. Oh my god. I fucking saw this shit coming at $20, bro. I definitely was a pussy and didn't pull the trigger when I should have. That would have been a sick fucking trade. Just front running the all of the liquidity that was gonna be flowing on chain for the airdrop. Fucking 440%. I'm dumb bullish on Pyth. I have a lot of fucking Pyth. Because at the end of the day, it's just like, it's an obvious tech play. And it's also an airdrop play. Because it's like the Oracle provider for like 100+ projects. There's no fucking way you're not going to get a shitload of airdrops. There's no way that the fucking token's not going to do well when their tech is fire. They're providing like some of the lowest latency oracles, like I think that are out at all. Like I haven't seen anything that's better. Dime, I don't really know half of what the fucking narrative is with Dime besides like fucking roll apps. Like I don't even know what the fuck that means. I think that this just has a lot to do with people staking the shit out of their stuff. Honestly, hilariously enough, I think also a lot of this has to do with nobody knew how to fucking sell their Dime. I think that is the funniest shit in the world, myself included. I'm like a forced community member. I'm like, so I have no idea how to sell this shit, so I'm just gonna stake it. So that instantly reduces selling pressure, and yeah, then look at the fucking price go. Like we're pushing up, we're on our way to fucking $10. It's nuts, man. Can you believe people are like fucking cheating their bags? It's fucking despicable. These people are literally just like, I don't know. It's like their first cycle, so it's okay, I guess. They're scared. You gotta learn to just walk the fuck away. I mean, you'll usually outperform like 90% of the market just buying spot bags and fucking off for like a month or two. Like if you sit in here and actively trade this, unless you like really are obsessed about this shit, you're probably not gonna do better than if you just bought quality projects and just fucked off. Render's getting real fucking close to price discovery. Been buying render since fucking 55 cents, dude. Since 55 fucking cents. Back in July of 22. And the only thing I've done is covered my cost basis. I have added more, but like I've covered my cost basis, so like this is just a fucking free roll, like 10 bagger moon bag. Like this thing's going to like, I don't know, I think it could hit like $50 this cycle. Depends on what they do with like the AI like modules that they're adding with training, you know, different LLMs. If they can achieve that, I think they're gonna do fucking insane shit. What are y'all talking about on there? I wonder if, what did I have it up on earlier where I could see all of the fucking chat, not just part of it. I think it was on, actually, because I'm using Restream right now, which is okay. It works relatively decent. Yeah, here we go. Oh, cool. Yeah, see, it's like pulling in comments from YouTube as well. Sick. These bastards won't let me stream on Instagram to the normies and shill my fucking bags. Or TikTok. It's like I have to be invited to the cabal. Honestly, like I'm not even trading like a whole bunch. I'm just like taking, you know, high conviction trades like once in a while. Like maybe every other day, a couple a week. I'm farming the shit out of airdrops. Like I'm balls to the wall farming airdrops. Pyth is gonna yield like crazy for the airdrops. There's honestly so many airdrops right now that it's like I have a whole fucking spreadsheet. I have an Excel spreadsheet, and I've actually had to create like autonomous like little bots to automate some of the mundane fucking transactional bullshit you have to do. It's like they want you to do little quests. It's like, do quests. Bro, do you know that I'm fucking farming like 50 airdrops? I'm not Frodo. I'm not Samwise Gamgee, bro. I'm not going on a goddamn quest. Like, I'm not doing that. Doing the fake testnet transactions, that's whatever. But I'm not doing all this other bullshit. You can automate all of that kind of stuff. You can automate anything, really, ideally. But what I'm mostly doing is just setting up fucking nodes for the test nets. And it's honestly the easiest thing to do. And I realize like no one knows how to use a terminal. Ironically, it's insanely easy. I mean, literally, you just like open your terminal and you go to their GitHub and it tells you exactly. You can like copy and paste the commands. And it's going to cost you like $60 to run a virtual private server. And you don't have to lock up like 10 grand on Camino Finance or Margin Fi to get like, a couple $100. Like, let's be real. Those are so diluted, and honestly, like, they're farming us at this point. So I pulled all of my money off of Camino and Margin Fi. I'm not giving them no fucking liquidity. The only liquidity pool that I'm fucking with, here, I'll fucking show y'all. Is actually Meteora, because they have the dynamic liquid market maker pools. These things are fucking sick. It's not just like some stable APY nonsense. The way that they have this set up with it's called like bins, so it allows them to give like deeper liquidity, supposedly with like zero slippage, and then you can do like different strategies based on what you think price is going to do. And you can yield more than just like a static APY of whatever. And it's really sick. And it's also like really good tech. But this is the only thing that I would really be fucking with when it comes to liquidity pools. Everything else is just like nonsense. Like, I mean, let's go over to fucking Margin Fi and make fun of them real quick. Because Margin Fi is a fucking shit show. Like, let's be real, dude. Where's the leaderboard? Where the fuck is the leaderboard? Oh, it's on the, is it on this? I have no idea. I forgot. I haven't been on here in so long. I have no idea where it's at. Okay, there it is, yeah. Yeah, like, look at these people's points. Like, what are you gonna do? Like, bro has, like, 2 fucking billion points. Like, you're not getting shit. Like, what the fuck am I gonna get with 30k points? I'm getting nothing. Like, bro, let's be real. I'm getting nothing. Like, there's so many points, it's just, like, ridiculous. It's fucking obscene. And people still just like have so much money parked in here. I don't know, people just like really just most of the time just mid-curve and don't think for themselves. I guess it's just laziness, whatever. I'm sure they'll eventually drop a token, maybe. But I'm not doing that nonsense, bro. I'm not locking my money up on here. Nope. Fuck that. Margin Fi, Camino. Yeah, where did I fucking have my notes at? Ooh, yeah, these are all the notes. I'm actually gonna make a video about this, so I'm not even gonna tell y'all on this right now. Yeah, I'm actually gonna make a video and probably put it on my fucking free Substack, because I'm gonna just like start doing like write-ups on, you know, different protocols, different chains, different projects, everything that I'm farming airdrop wise, you know, new IDOs, all that shit. I think I already posted it. It's just like, it's a subdomain on my website. It's free. You're not charging anything for it. So if you want to get that shit before I post it on Twitter, that's probably where you're going to want to go to. What is this guy asking me on Twitter? Shit, it's 4:47. I gotta go. Yo, I gotta go. I gotta get ready. I gotta fucking pack. My flight's tomorrow, so I gotta get up out of here. Alright, it's been real. Glad this shit works. I'm out of here. You guys be careful. Don't over leverage. Don't listen to half these people on Twitter.